Welcome to EverTrust demo. Let's start and log in. The dashboard shows statistics of previous scans. You can use various criteria like key size, algorithms, protocols, etc. Let's create a new scan. Just hit register, then type in a name and description. Also provide specific network information like DNS name, IPs or subnets, then TCP ports. Click on Register to save the scan. Now the scan is created, we can run it. So select your scan and under Actions, click on Run. Scan is completed. Let's view the results. Just click on the scan name, the scan report page opens. The graphs show results sorted by protocols, CA, etc. We notice here a self-sign-in certificate. Let's display the details. That certificate is unwanted, so we'll now configure EverTrust HoriZon to automate the certificate lifecycle management with Acme protocol. So let's start the configuration steps. For demo purposes, we already have configured the certificate authorities, credentials, and PKI profiles. Now we will configure the Acme profile. Select the plus sign and key in your profile info, like a name, a validation method. We support all Acme validation methods. You can configure additional constraints to enforce your security policy, like min key size, etc. To finish, we specify the communication port along with the desired PKI connector. Save the config. The Acme profile is ready to use. Our work is done on HoriZon. Let's switch to the client view on the Microsoft server hosting the self-sign-in certificate. First, let's launch the Acme client. By the way, it was created by EverTrust with an open source license. And now the Acme magic happens. So let's verify the effect on IIS server. We can see that the certificate has been properly bound to the application. Let's go back to the scanner view to reassess and verify that the certificate is not self-signed anymore. To do so, just rerun the scan. Once completed, display the results. We now see on the same host that the certificate is trusted, i.e. issued by a trusted PKI. EverTrust HoriZon natively supports F5 integration. Let's view how it works. From the F5 client, just create an SSL client with the default settings. In the F5 SSL client profile, type in a name, leave default settings and save. Then create a data group list with the required strings. Now let's configure the subject alternate names we want to include in the certificate. In this example, we will configure 2 SANs. We can also add a contact email address to include in our certificate request in case of notification. Then click on Finish. Now check that the requested certificate is not yet present. In fact, HoriZon creates a scheduled task to run the enrollment order. After a few seconds, we refresh the page and the magic happens. The certificate is present on the F5. After a final verification under the client SSL previously created, we can see that the certificate is properly bound. The job is done.